Right now, more than half of Americans, about 54%, believe they are middle class, according to 2024 Pew Research data. But the truth is, in today's world, you're either moving up or falling behind. There is no standing still anymore. So today we are going to get crystal clear on something that most people get completely wrong. Exactly where you stand financially in America and what you need to do to level up. Let's break it down. We will go from the bottom 20% to the top 20% using income and net worth data to show you what each class looks like, along with exact steps you can take to climb the ladder. I am Zara. I started saving and building wealth when I was 16. While I was working as a dental hygienist, I built my net worth to 6 figures. I didn't grow up with a lot of money. I just made simple, steady moves. And now I want to help you do the same. Most people do not know where they truly stand financially. They think they're doing fine because they live like everyone around them. But the data tells a different story. And once you understand exactly where you fall on the financial spectrum, you can use the right strategies to move forward and faster. Starting with the lower class, the bottom 20%. Income is less than $35,000 household, $24,000 individual. The net worth is around $6,000. This is a starting point for many Americans. If you're here, you're likely working hard, possibly multiple jobs, just to keep your head above water. But one emergency, one medical bill, and one car repair, and it can feel like everything falls apart. You're probably working in retail, hospitality, or care work. Jobs with long hours and low wages and no benefits. And the most financial advice is it's not made for you. But here's what you can do. Number 1, start a micro emergency fund. Even $5 or $10 a week builds up. And it's not just about the money, it's about momentum and security. Number 2, negotiate everything. Your phone bill, medical bills, interest rates. Call and ask, what option do you have for someone with financial hardship? Number 3, focus on income building skills like community college, trade certifications. It can change your life. College isn't the only path. And your mission here is to build stability. Lay the groundwork so you no longer just surviving. Also look for programs and resources in your city or country. Many communities offer workforce development programs, free childcare subsidies, or transportation help that can support you while you're trained for a higher paying job. This support system can give you the breathing room you need to get to the next level. But before we go further, if you like this video so far, please like and subscribe. It helps the channel grow. Lower middle class, the 20 to 40%. Income is around $35,000 to $60,000 a household, or $24,000 to $40,000 individual. Net worth around $43,000. You have got a little breathing room. You can afford a vacation once a year or the occasional dinner out, but it's tight. This is where comfort starts to trick people. You're not panicking about every bill, but you're not building real wealth yet either. Here's what you can do. 1. Use the 50-30-20% budget rule. 50% for your needs, rent and food, 30% for wants, entertainment and takeout, and 20% for savings or debt. Number 2. Buy based on value and not price. A $100 pair of shoes that lasts 2 years is cheaper than a $20 pair that falls apart. Number 3, automate everything. Pay yourself first. Set automatic savings and bill payments. Number 4, check and improve your credit. Use free tools to monitor your score, dispute errors, and a better credit scores mean cheaper loans. Your mission here is to build consistent financial habits. Don't let temporary comfort turn into permanent stagnation. Also consider monetizing hobbies or learning side income skills like basic freelance work, remote support jobs, or local services like tutoring or delivery. Even an extra $200 or $300 a month reinvested in savings or a new skill can create big changes over time. Middle class, 40 to 60%. Income is around $60,000 to $92,000 a household, or $40,000 to $61,000 individual. Net worth is around $104,000. You might own a home, you likely contribute to your retirement, you're not worried about grocery, but one unexpected expense could set you back. This is the stability zone, but the goal isn't just stability, it's financial freedom. Here's what to focus on. Number 1, max out your employer match. It's free money. If you can contribute 15 or 20% of your income toward retirement. Number 2, invest beyond retirement accounts. Open a Roth IRA or brokerage account. Index funds are low cost and powerful. Number 3, build your network. Your income often reflects your environment. Support yourself with people who push you to grow. Number 4, start a midterm opportunity fund. This isn't an emergency savings. This is for taking future risks, like starting a business. Your mission here is stop coasting. Use this moment of stability to create leverage. Also, begin tracking your net worth monthly. It will help you to see real progress even when the income feels flat. And it encourages you better financial decisions when you start focusing on assets instead of just paychecks. Upper middle class, 60 to 80%. Income, $92,000 to $153,000 household, or $61,000 to $120,000 individual. Net worth $201,000 plus. You probably live in a nice neighborhood, drive a newer car, and take multiple vacations a year. Your kids may be in private school, you're earning well, but here's the trap. Lifestyle inflation. Nearly half of six-figure earners still live paycheck to paycheck. What you need to do. Number 1, master your tax strategy. Max out your ISA, Roth IRA, and 401k. Number 2, build multiple income streams. Consulting, renting income, dividend investing. This is how people build wealth, not just earn income. Number 3, audit your lifestyle creep. Bigger house, new car. Ask yourself, is this aligned with my long-term goals? Number 4, invest in your personal brand. Speak at events, network with leaders, build influence in your field. Your mission, don't confuse income with wealth. Build systems and assets that work for you. And also, this level you can consider setting up an S Corp or an LLC. If you have any freelance income, this can help you with tax planning and open your business deduction. Think like a business, not just an employee. Upper class, top 20%. Income is 170k household to 250k. For top 5%, it's 700 plus K. For the top 1%, the net worth is around 600k to 1 million plus. At this level, you don't ask, can I afford it? You ask, is this aligned with my values? You likely have multiple investments, assets, and more freedom. But freedom must be protected. Here's how. Number 1, work with an advisor. Avoid percentage-based advisors. They can cost you hundreds of thousands of dollars over time. Number 2, create a full wealth plan. Estate planning, trust insurance, and tax optimization. Legacy education for your kids. Number 3, invest with impact. Align your money with your mission. Whether that funding the first entrepreneurs or community projects. Your mission is preserve and protect and pass down wealth. Leave a legacy that goes beyond just money. Also, this is the time to ask deeper questions. What legacy do you want to leave? What causes matters to you? And start a donor advised fund or contribute to impact investing that aligns with your story and values. Global perspective. If you make more than $50 a day, you're already in the top 20% globally. That's not to make you feel guilty, it's to help you feel grateful. You already have tools, access, and opportunities that billions don't. Let it empower you to build better, not just for yourself, but for others. So now that you have seen the full picture, where do you stand? Drop a letter in the comments if you're committed to climbing. Let me know what bracket you're in and, more importantly, what strategy you're going to start with. These levels are not labels, they are checkpoints, and your current income is just the starting. If you want to know more how the rich build quiet wealth, watch this video.